Welcome to Scholars Tutorial. Today we'll learn about adverbs in English. Adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb, giving more information about how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. For example, quickly, very, now. And here are all adverbs. There are 6 main types of adverbs: manner, time, place, frequency, degree, and conjunctive adverbs. Let's go through each one. Let's start with adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tell how an action is done, like quickly, slowly, or carefully. For example, she runs quickly. Here, quickly is the adverb of manner because it tells us how she runs. Another example, he speaks clearly. Here, clearly is an adverb of manner. Next, adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tell us when something happens, such as now, yesterday, or tomorrow. For example, I'll go tomorrow. Here, tomorrow is the adverb of time. Another example, they left yesterday. Here, yesterday is adverb of time. Next, we have adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tell us where the action occurs, like here, there, or outside. For example, wait here. Here is adverb of place. Another example, go outside. Here, outside is adverb of place. Next, adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency show how often something happens, such as always, often, or never. For example, she always studies. Here, always is the adverb of frequency. Another example, he rarely eats snacks. Here, rarely is the adverb of frequency. Now, adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell how much or to what extent, like very to, quite, or almost. For example, it's very hot. Here, very is the adverb of degree. Another example, she is almost ready. Here, almost is the adverb of degree. Finally, conjunctive adverbs. Conjunctive adverbs connect ideas and show relationships, such as however, therefore, meanwhile, or nevertheless. For example, she didn't study, however she passed. Here, however connects 2 contrasting ideas. Another example, he was late, therefore he apologized. Here, therefore, shows the result of being late. Brilliant work! So remember, adverbs add more information about actions or other words by telling us how, when, where, how often, or how much. With Scholars Tutorial, grammar becomes easy and clear. Subscribe and follow Scholars Tutorial for clear, exam-focused 11+ support. Ace your academics with Shruti.ai. It's free.